Hello guys, in this video we will see how to add or create user account in Windows 11 operating system. We have different methods to add user on Windows 11 machine. In this video we will see three options. Okay, the first one is from your keyboard, Windows button, then search for control panel, then click on user accounts, then click on again user accounts. Here click on manage another account. Then click on add a new user in PC settings. Okay. And also notice here we have only one user, that is this one, which I logged in. Okay. Sometimes if we click on this, it just opens and closes. But again click again. Okay. Now if you click on this add a family member, it will ask the Microsoft mail ID information. See, it is asking enter the mail ID. Okay, cancel this one. See here in other accounts you have to click on add account. See here also it is asking email or phone, but see here in the bottom it is saying you have to click on this I don't have this person's sign in information. Okay, click on it. Again it is asking, so click on add a user without a Microsoft account. Okay, click on this one. Provide the name for this user. Okay, I'm giving username as James. Provide the password for the same user. Enter the same. Security questions. You have to remember these answers. Suppose if you forgot the password of this user, you have to provide answers for these questions. Otherwise, if you are the admin, then you can reset. Okay. Then click on next. See, user is created. Okay. The other method is go to Windows run, then type net plwiz. Okay. Hit enter. I will keep this command in the video description. See, we have two users. This is the Oracle account. Okay. Forgot about it. It's a group. Okay. So the current user is R2Schools1. This is the user which we have created. Okay. Now to create another user, you have to click on this add button. This is also asking email, but if you come down here, sign in without a Microsoft account. Okay, click on this one. Now click on create local account, then provide the user. Then provide the password hint, like anything. Just I'm giving David's printer account. Anything is fine, but we have to remember this one also. See, we have created user, then click on finish. See, new user is there, David. You see here we are unable to find, but if you click on accounts, the console will be different. Okay, so close it again. Then here click on the same link, that is add a new user in PC settings. See, new user is added. Okay. The next, suppose if you want to give the, see, this is only username, but if you want to give the full name, click on it and see it has taken username as David. So I am giving David Mike. Then click on apply, click on OK. Again, if you want to verify, see here full name has been changed, but this is the option, but I am showing you how to do that. Okay, click on apply, click on OK. Again click on OK. Third method is by running the command. Okay, open command prompt. See, I just clicked on open, but this will not work. I will show you the error and the solution. See, command is net user, then username. Here I am giving username as R2admin, then provide the password for this user. So I am giving password as R2admin123. Then forward slash add. Surely it will throw the error. See, system error 5 has occurred. Access is denied. So Why? Because I have opened the command prompt as normal, but we have to close this one or keep this one. Now open command prompt as run as administrator. See, use the same command, just copy this one or type the same one. Okay, net user r2 admin at the rate 123, give password, anything which should be the stronger. Okay, hit enter. See, the command completed successfully. Now verify. Go to, see, we are unable to find here. Close it again, open it again, click on add a new user. See, the third user R2 admin has been added. You can also verify by going to netplwc. See, we have the R2 admin user. So in this video we have seen 3 different ways to add the user accounts in Windows 11 operating system. For more Windows 11 videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.